मैं एक्चुअली 9:30 बजे तक शूटिंग कर रही थी और ये आउटफिट भी जो है वो लास्ट मिनट मुझे पता चला कि ये स्टाइल अवार्ड्स है तो टिपिकल इंडियन ड्रेस कोड नहीं है, तो मैंने घर से मंगवाया मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ। सो इट वॉज अ वेरी लास्ट मिनट थिंग। आधे घंटे में तैयार हुई मैं। सो
पल्लवी, जानना चाहेंगे आपको अपने आप में सबसे स्टाइलिश चीज़ क्या लगती है?
my simplicity, I guess. I don't believe in doing too much or going too over the top. मैं minimalistic रखती हूँ, so I think that's my style.
पल्लवी, आप
No, no, he's my husband.
आपने बोला ना कि मैंने घर से
Yeah, okay.
Ah, yes, yes, in that
he
sense,
brought. I
yes.
thought he was asking me if he's styled my look or something. Then no. Yes, he brought my clothes from home today.
I was the courier.
Yeah,
मतलब ये बहुत ही आदर्श पति हैं आप।
definitely.
I don't know about that. Like I said, I was the courier today.
It wasn't easy for him to pick stuff up from different places in the house. Let's just say that.
I think she's the best. That's why I married her. So, जो भी award हो सब इन्हें मिले.
And what do you think about her performance in the show?
We love it. Especially actually the first week of the show, when Ronit's entry was actually not done. So she was returning to TV after 7 years, and she still managed to hold ground for the first week. Felt very proud and impressed with what she could do.
Thank you so much. Have a pleasant day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, I would love to be in the TV industry, but I've not had any offers so far. I think TV is also sort of opening up and coming up with a lot of new ideas. So it'd be really exciting. But no, unfortunately, I've not had any offers.
कैपेसिटी में आज आप यहाँ शामिल हो रही हो, like presenting an award, getting
Actually, मैं award present कर रही हूँ और मेरी film Margarita with a Straw is also being promoted here. We're showing our trailer because it's also about style being, more than just what you wear and your personality coming out. Or there's pride in being different, and style is about being different and standing out in what you wear and who you are.
कि आपको टीवी देखती हैं, आपको मतलब ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश लगता है?
कौन ज़्यादा stylish लगता है? I mean, I don't watch a lot of TV, but I would say Ronit Roy is pretty stylish.
And about among female?
I have no idea. I don't know. I can't think of somebody who's really. I'm thinking of film names. Yeah, Neha Dhupia, but she's not in TV. Shiva Chadda. Yeah, she's pretty stylish. I know her personally, and she wears a lot of cool clothes.
And what about your style tonight?
My style tonight, yeah, I'm wearing Neeta Lula tonight, and it's a suit, an Indian suit, and very very plain and black and matrix-like. So I like it a lot because it's different and it's comfortable, and I can be a boy and a girl at the same time.
Mr. Amir Khan saw your film and he was very appreciative about it.
जी.
Any words for him? It's his birthday tomorrow. But tonight, Lonavala.
Oh, क्या बात है! Happy birthday, Amir! I didn't know it was your birthday. I hope you have a wonderful time. And it's just, I mean, he already knows. I've spoken to him. He's been wonderful promoting Margarita with us. And, it's great to have his support on this film. So, yeah.
Are you going to Lonavala for his birthday?
No, I've not been invited.